Hi children, welcome to maths class. So in the last class we started lesson 14, that is money. So we'll continue now. So what is there? This is additional information about Indian currency. See, and in the olden days we had this type of paise, children. See, 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paises, no 4 paises here. 5 paise, 10 paise and 20 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee. See, now starts at rupees. This is all paises. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. This is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paises. See, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. See, these are the old paises. You can find with your grandpa, grandmas. You can ask them if they have any old paises. You can, if you have anything, like you can post in the group, children, maths homework group. Okay. Now, what is the symbol of a rupees is this one. See. This is a symbol of a rupees. Match the following has shown. See, money in the symbol. This is a coins. So here is a 1 rupee and this is a matching of 1 rupee. So where is 5 rupees here? So here is a 5 rupees. So match from 5 to here. Next 2 rupees, 10 rupees, then next 50 paise. Here is the paises and here comes the notes. So money in the symbol and this is a notes. What you have to do, same way, like how you have matched for the coins, in the same way you have to match with the notes. So 2 rupees note, 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, this is a 20 rupees note and this is 1 rupee. Now what is their activity here? Take a sheet of paper, place a rupee coin. So what we have to do, you have to take a sheet of paper and take a 1 rupee coin, place a rupee coin below the paper. See, you have to keep a coin below the paper in this way. We have to keep below the paper. And what we have to do? And we have to scratch on the paper using a pencil on a coin. What do you get? See, we get in this way. This is the front part. So we'll do for back part. Okay, other face. Okay, we'll start with the other face of a coin. So now we'll start with the other face of a coin. So this is a front face. This is a front face. Now this is the back face. Okay. See, we have placed the coin below the paper. Now we'll trace like this. Wow, with this way we'll trace. See? See what we are getting. So this is the activity. You all going to enjoy this activity. Okay. See, this is for 1 rupee coin. Next, what you have to do? You have to do with the 2 rupees coin. I'll do with the 2 rupees coin. So this is a front face. See, like this, scratch on the coin. See, this is a front face. Now we'll do with the back face, here only. Okay, still down. Okay. Here, start doing. So trace on the coin here, 2 rupees coin. See, back face this is. Wow, see, you can see India map upon this. See, after this, see, after this circle, this is above the circle, you erase this part and this part, you erase it. Okay, this part and this part. See, now you can see this is the back part of a 2 rupees coin. In the same way, see, draw a line like this between Now draw for this coin and this coin so that you can cover in this only. Okay children, this is for homework both. Next, what is there here? Observe the coins. See what is there? Observe the coins. How many coins are there? You should count. How many 50 paisa is there? How many 1 rupee is there? How many 2 rupees? And how many 5 rupees? Total number of coins. Later on you should write total number of coins. So first what is there? 50 paise. So how many 50 paise are there? Here all 5 rupees. So here 150 paise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 750 paise coins. Okay, how many 1 rupee coins are there? Here 1. Only one. Okay, only 150 paise coin. 1 rupee coin. Next, 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coin. How many 2 rupees coins? 1, 2. So there are 2 rupees coins. Okay, now we'll go for a 5 rupees. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow. So there are more 5 rupees coins. So total number of coins, how many are there? Okay, we'll start 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 11, how much? See, 10 plus 10 is 20. Still 1 is remaining here. So 21 coins. Total number of coins is 21. Next, observe the given article and their prices. See, this is a chocolate and the price of a chocolate is 50 paise. Put right for the coin or note that has to be paid to buy them. See, if I want to buy a chocolate, I want to pay a 50 paise here. So where is there a 50 paise? You have to tick here. So where is, this is 5 rupees, this is 2 rupees, 1 rupee and this is 50 paise. Okay, put tick mark here. And this is 5 rupees note. Here there is 5 rupees note here. No, only paises are there. So we have to search where is 5 rupees coin. See, here is 5 rupees coin. What is this, children? This is a, what is this? Cucumber. Yes? Okay. Rupees 1. Only rupees 1. This is cucumber. This is the shape of a cucumber and this is a eraser. Okay. So the eraser amount is rupees 1. So where is rupees 1 here? This is 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee. Here is the 1 rupee. Here it is banana. So rupees of banana rupees is 2 rupees. So where is 2 rupees here? So this is a 2 rupees. Tick here. Here coconut. The cost of a coconut is rupees 10. So if I want to go and buy, I have to give rupees 10 here. So where is rupees 10 here? So this is rupees 10. So what is this? This is a pumpkin. It's a big pumpkin and the cost of a pumpkin is rupees 20. So where is the cost 20 here? Where is rupee 20? This is 5 rupees note and this is 10 rupees note and this is 20 rupees note and here comes a 50 rupees note. So where is 20? So this is 20. So tick here 20. Next. So money addition. So we have to do now addition. So here rupees is given in form of a note, coins. Okay. We have to add. Observe the article. See, first we have to observe the article and note and the notes representing their prices. Write the price of the article. So what is this? This is a pen. So cost of a pen is how much? Rupees 10. So write down. Here already the rupees symbol is mentioned. So write here 10. So what is this? This is a custard apple. So what is the amount of custard apple? So here is a 10 rupees and here is a 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So rupees 12. So what makes 12 number? 1, 2 makes 12. Next year, pineapple. So 10 rupees plus 5 rupees. So what is the cost of a pineapples here? Rupees 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. Rupees 15. 1 5 15. Here, this is an activity for you all. So what is activity here? 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, and 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees, and 5 rupees. Look at the price tag on the articles. Which two notes or coins given above can you use to buy these things? So here, this is a model. So this is rupees 15. So rupees 10 plus rupees 5 is equal to 15. Here, this is an example. Here it is papaya. What is the price of a papaya? Rupees 12. So what can we do? So we have to give amount to the seller here. So rupees 12. So I can take rupees 10 plus 2. Okay, rupees 10 plus rupees 2 makes 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Here rupees 7. So here is rupees 5. Can I take rupees 20 here? No, because it is only rupees 7. Can I take rupees 10? No. Can I take rupees 5 coins? 5? Yeah, I can take 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin also. Okay. Even I can take 5 rupees note also. Okay. 5 rupees 5 plus rupees 2. Rupees 5 plus rupees 2 makes rupees 7. Now this is the cost of a balloon. So one balloon is cost is 2 rupees. Here it is 2 rupees. So together it is 4 rupees. So here it is 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 5 rupees. Here 10 rupees and 20 rupees. So what we will do? So we'll add rupees 2 plus rupees 2 makes rupees 4. Next, this 3 is for homework children. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.